Hello and welcome, it's Gilly Kube. I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. I have seen this kind of style from several photos that I've seen on acrylic posts. I'm not sure who kicked off the style, so I'm sure somebody will tell me. But I'm gonna go for it. I'll explain it as I go along. So first of all, I'm just doing some lovely nice kind of base. Yeah, you'll work it out as I go along. You work with me. So that's a nice turquoise as my champagne blue. What a champagne blue. Champagne gold, I'm losing it, I'll tell you. So I'm going to use a sponge brush. So this is just doing sort of a little backing work, but bear with me because this won't be the whole piece. So I just wanted those nice oceany blues. I'm going to go over the whole canvas, even though all of this won't be shown in the final piece. But I'm going to do a bit of a demarcation line there. Not worried about my very edges at the moment, because I think when this piece is finished, if it comes out any good, I will actually do that in a dark blue. Bear with me. Got my faithful sidekick beside me, my Rosie, my Australian Shepherd. Glorious little girl, aren't you? Yes, okay, that's going to be that. So I'm using this PDF round as a kind of template. So I think you can leave it to dry and then do the next stage. I'm not sure how anyone else sees it because I haven't actually seen a video of it being done. I've only seen the photograph of the finished work. So I'm going to dry it off a little bit with my heat wand. I probably should leave it to dry, but I am not. So I'm going to actually place this about there. Doesn't matter if it picks up the paint. Oh, hopefully I can lift it afterwards. And I'm going to lay my other colours for my ocean wave to come over it. If anybody knows who, I mean, there's always somebody that kicks off a kind of a style, even though it's all been done before. But like I said, I've seen a few nice pieces recently, and they look as though they're done this way. So if not, let me know. I'm sure people will, as they do. So I'm just putting some colours. I want to obviously keep it lovely oceanic-y. I'm going to go with the blue. I'm going to put some of my champagne in there, of course. I have, I'll show you I'll get it down in a bit. I have done something similar to this several years ago where my son actually, we collaborated together. So this is just a little bit of light purple It's actually, it's the metallic purple. It's very nice. So just finish it off with a bit of me turquoise. And of course, plenty of white, because that'll help the whole thing flow, Joe. Let's hope this turns out. So I'm going to get my little mini dryer. Tangled up. I'm sort of half got my art room tore apart because we're pulling the whole lot out to redo it after water damage. I'm not sure what I'm going to do about that now. I don't know if I take the whole lot of that off because I don't like that. Maybe I'll take that from there. Oh, got it on me. Silly Gilly. Let me see if I can rescue these. Oh dear. Yeah, the other pieces of art I've seen, they've gone right up to the circle. They've took the whole piece, so I don't know. I'm going to just lift it up and see what it looks like. Let's try and get this right. I love those colours. Like I said, I might have to put that back down and... Ooh. Oh my goodness. That has actually left a fabulous effect. Oh, not what I expected. If I'd have left it to dry, it wouldn't have gone. That's fabulous actually. What? See, now I'm thinking if I'd have painted it sort of orange and yellows or moony colours and done that, then lifted it. New technique, eh? I'll tell you what, I'm going to, I don't know whether it's, that's quite nice as it is, but I'm going to fill the whole lot. I'm going to leave that. That's now given me another brilliant idea. So I love doing these paintings with the, I mean, look at the gorgeous colours mixed together. The blue and the gold and even the purple and turquoise, they just look fabulous together. I'm running out. I'm trying to get rid of this out of here and then I'll make up a fresh batch. Ooh. That has given me a whole nother idea now because I've done it that way. But anyway, let's see how I can get this. So excited about that now. Okay, let's try it. really excited about that. So let's hope if I take this off, this doesn't all fall in, but that's okay if it does. Oh, love it. Love it, love it. I think I will actually just wash that off my MDF board to reuse, but I actually like that effect. I might just go round with my straw. That I'd gone, but anyway, it's just given me idea for future. Actually, I love that. That has turned out really well, and when it's dry I can do some work on that, but I am so happy with that. Wow. Oh my goodness. Fabulous. What do you guys think? Okay, I'm gonna come bring you down, bring you down. Wow, I am super happy with this. I have, when I come round to take my camera down, I got a little brush and just went around the edges to make it look like water splashlets. I mean, and I can sort of definitely define this better and put more detail into it when it's dry, but I am so happy with actually putting that MDF and kind of doing a dip on the MDF to create those soft effects. But wouldn't that look fabulous as like a moon in there? But I'm super happy with the colours. I mean, it is really, it's kind of moving, full of life. When I looked at it, I thought my eyes were going weird because it looked as though it, excuse me, was moving. So super happy with that. And I find actually to keep your blower and not wiggle it, I used to wiggle it to get like a wave effect, and I found that that kind of muddied up the paints too much. But I'm super happy with that. Now I wish I'd added more of the champagne in there, which you can definitely go in and add, but I really don't want to do too much more to this till it dries. So really interested to find out what you guys think. I am super happy with it, and it's given me so many ideas now. My head's buzzing. So I think I'm going to stay out here in my art room and continue on. But I'll certainly post the photos and a little video, hopefully, when it's dry, and show you what the end result was. So thank you, my lovelies, so much for joining me. You're such good troopers for supporting me. And those that have actually become channel members really do help me continue on with the little bit of money that I get from my channel members. It helps me buy products and canvases and continue to be able to provide these art videos for you. So to my actual channel members, thank you so much. Big thank you to you guys. You really do help me, and it makes me quite emotional thinking that people, they're willing to give sort of $5 or $10 to be a channel member. It really helps me. So my lovelies, please take care. Bye for now. So all dried beautiful. I'm gonna just embellish it with a few little sail ships the easy way. As I said, I'm no artist of but I can use the palette knife a little bit, I guess, and that's it. If you've got I should be using a wet cloth to wipe anything off, which is easy enough when you've got a dry canvas. So I'm going to just create some little silhouettes of sailboats on my turbulent ocean, and I just love how it's all coming together, and I hope that you guys can see that it's an easy process. You don't have to be a fine artist. You can create in your own style, and it's more about the enjoyment for us who's doing it, really. So yeah, enjoy my last little bit and I'll show you the finished product at the end.
While I'm singing this song to myself, I sing this softly to myself. Tore up my jeans on the fence. This iron road I cannot bend, but my walking is lighter when I walk with a friend. I sing this softly to myself. I sing this softly to myself. I'm waking up early again, sitting alone and listening, and there is no separation from you in the end. I sing this softly to myself. I sing this softly to myself. I'm hushing the dog on the chain. I'm running up stones on the edge of the bank. Rally the troops for another refrain. I sing this softly to myself. I sing this softly to myself. I'm buried beneath the sand. There's no way to speak or reach out my